Hi, welcome to my channel.
Hi, I'm Frankie, welcome to my channel. So today I have Luke with me. So we're going to be doing a how well do we know each other type video. And we've each prepared 10 questions that the other person doesn't know.
So let's get stuck in.
I'm going to be asking Luke the questions first. So my first question is, what's my favourite summer activity to do in England?
What, is this the easy one?
Yeah.
Drink?
No.
In England?
Yeah.
Is that like a big hint or something?
England.
You do what your favourite activity is abroad?
Kind of, but it's not the same.
It's not the same.
Do it all the time.
We do it all the time. Eat ice cream.
Pub garden!
Oh, for God's sake, I knew that. That's why I said drink before. What I had in
very
my head is
specific.
drinking in the pub.
Yeah, well, you didn't say that, bruh.
Following on from ice cream, what is my favourite ice cream?
Like mint chocolate chip.
Well, you don't have to rush, right?
Mint chocolate chip.
Ah, for goodness sake.
Did I get it right? Caramel?
Caramel.
Since when has your favourite ice cream been caramel?
I have never eaten mint chocolate chip in my life. I literally haven't eaten that since I was like 10.
So you have eaten it in your life?
So far,
Zero.
So far this is quite embarrassing.
My second question is, what are my two biggest pet peeves?
Oh, for goodness sake. Is one of them when you're cooking or when you make food and somebody else goes, oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
And wait, you can't say it yet. You can't say it. Is it to do with a phone charger when you've got a...
No. I'm not telling you.
Oh, well.
Might be. So the first one is when people say my food is weird when it's not. And the second one is when people don't appreciate my taste in films.
Oh, yeah.
I've really got a good taste in films and food, and no one appreciates it.
But do I get half a point?
Yeah, you get half a point.
So, what is my favourite film?
Ever.
Lord
of the Rings.
Which one?
All of them. I don't know what they're called.
There's 3 of them, so...
Okay, the third one.
She got it!
Shit film, but at least I got a point.
It's not though.
Sam's the cutest, and he's just not treated how he should be treated. What's the little ugly kid called? Gollum is just a rip-off of Dobby. Like, the whole thing's just fucked. It's a conspiracy. I'll talk about that in a later video. Okay, so this is my top 3 something. So if you get 2, then I'll give you a whole point, and if you get 1, I'll give you half a point. Okay, so what are my top 3 favourite songs of all time? Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
American Boy.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Maybe. This is like my top 3 old school songs. Just think it through a bit, like what do I know the words to?
Don't really know.
Don't even say that, because you're actually going to kick yourself.
I'm gonna say Black Eyed Peas, Where Is the Love, American Boy by Estelle and Kanye, and I'm just gonna throw this one in there, Usher, yeah.
So close! So Where Is the Love, American Boy, and Fire Burning by Sean Kingston.
Where did Fire Burning by Sean Kingston come
that
from?
song.
I've never heard you play it that much.
I'll literally go over there and show you how many times I've played it on iTunes.
I bet you don't know all the words. Though.
Yeah, I do. Fire burning on the dance floor.
It isn't actually fair because...
But you got a whole point, so why are you moaning? Yeah, is a good one though, by Usher.
It should have been in there, sort of Fire Burning. Well, after those first 2 rounds, I'm in the lead with half a point.
No, 1.5.
Yeah, I'm in the lead with half a point.
You're in the lead by half a point.
1.5 to me, Frankie, 1 point. When I was young...
I didn't know you when you were young.
When I was younger, I split my head open up here somewhere.
You were on your dad's shoulders. Was that the question? Was that the question?
Oh, that was the answer. So technically, like, when you ask me a question, I have to answer 3 times to get 1 point.
Well, I should have done the one from when I was younger. I have loads of funny stories from when I'm younger. Another video. Okie doke, hun. I'm in the lead, so when I... Can you, like, not?
You're going to review it?
No.
Huh?
Oh no.
Sneak preview.
When I was 4, what foreign object?
Foreign object?
When I was 4, what foreign object did I put up my nose?
Barbie sponge.
Yep, that is correct. Barbie makeup sponge. I put the Barbie makeup sponge up my nose on Christmas, and
Kind of looks like one of these.
But a little bit smaller.
A lot smaller.
It's like, you know, like them old eyeshadow brushes with the little sponge on the end. It was one of them. Put it up my nose, didn't tell anyone, kind of forgot about it. Then I started to stink, and like my nursery sent me home from nursery.
Do you have one up your nose now?
And then my mum kept taking me to the doctors, and this like arsehole doctor, not naming any names, but I had him again the other day. He told her she was a paranoid mum like 4 times and was like refusing to treat me. She went to a different doctor, and he said straight away, like before we sat down, that I had a foreign object up my nose, and it could have gone into my lungs, Han, and I could have died. I nearly had to have an operation. And then when I was at the hospital, I kind of remembered, and I was like, Mum, I think I might have put a I was like, Mum, I think I might have put a Barbie sponge up my nose. And yeah, that's the story of that.
Very long backstory. I mean, Dad walked into a room, hit my head, and the story's done.
That's fucked.
I don't think I'll get this one, but you know, I like to have a little dig now and again.
You got that fire on the dance floor. Trying to prove to you that I know the words.
What is one thing I hate that you do?
Oh, if I want something, I always make him ching chang walla me to see who has to go do it, and then if I lose, I throw a strop and don't do it. Obviously, if I win, then he has to do it as well, so.
Is that your final answer?
Win-win, yeah. If it's something else, I'm going to be so pissed off.
Close, but it's not.
What is it?
It's actually when you lose something and make me look for it.
I thought for sure it would be the ching chang walla thing.
Yeah, that thing doesn't annoy me. No.
So what do I do?
When you lose stuff, you make me look for it.
I just really struggle to look for things. It makes me really frustrated. Just can't be bothered, so it's just easier if you do it. Okay, so my next question is, what are my... So, like, there's 3 and you can have any, but try and get them all. So, what's my favourite meal?
Like full-on meals or like...
Both. Any. Whatever you think. 2 of them are really easy, 1 we might not get.
I'm gonna say pasta, mashed potato and garlic bread.
No, meals.
That's what I asked.
But I thought you meant like lunch meals or dinner meals.
What would I mean? Carbonara, lasagna and pizza.
0 out of 3. The first one is dolmio creamy tomato pasta. The second one is cheese and beans on toast, and the third one is that lobster pasta, that lobster and prawn bake from Big Easy.
That's such bullshit. I said pasta as well.
Yeah, I thought you were going to definitely get that one. We had it today. And I said, this is my favourite meal ever.
You spelled dolmio. Cheese and beans on toast. I've no idea.
I literally have that every day.
Yeah, I know. Like, who has these as their favourite foods?
Like, I would never get bored of any of these.
Joe's sending me invitations to play football.
No! 0 for you. That was shocking. I thought you'd at least get the dolmio. We literally just had it. And I said, this is my favourite meal to you then. And at the time I was thinking, cool, that's giving him a big hint. I'm not, I didn't mean to.
Okay, if I could meet one person in the world, who would it be?
Can you tell me if it's a girl or a boy?
Huh?
Is it a character or a real person?
It's a real person. What do you mean? Is it a character or a real person? I'd love to meet Homer Simpson. He's a great guy.
Do you like love them?
Are we giving out hints?
Yeah, yeah, we can give hints.
I should have asked for your hints on the food.
Well, you should have, but you didn't.
Yeah.
Oh, Steve Angelo. Obviously.
Obviously.
I was thinking like film stars. I thought you was on the lines of like 4 in Iron Man.
Huh?
That's who I'd say. Actually, I'd say Chris Hemsworth as well. I'd like to meet 4 and Chris Hemsworth.
Why would you want to meet Chris Hemsworth?
Seems like a lovely guy.
So 3 to you, 2.5 to me.
I've changed a few of mine.
Oh, you can change them now.
Well, if you don't like the ones written down, you think... I think you should get this one, but we'll see. Okay, so what is my favourite season?
Summer.
Oh, spring!
This is such bullshit.
Do you know what? Look, I'll explain to you. I love summer, and summer is a very close second.
Oh my god.
And like, obviously them two kind of merge into one anyway, and I love them both, but I feel like I love spring because 1, it's my birthday. 2, spring's just like when it comes out of winter, so it's like you go from being really like winter depressed and then all of a sudden it's spring.
How many siblings do my mum and dad have?
What, combined?
Well, combined each.
I think your mum has 4. Wait, your dad definitely has a sister and a brother, and then there's one more, I think, so 3. He has 3. Yeah, that's right. Your dad has 3 siblings, and your mum has 4. What is it? Oh,
So
did I get it
close.
wrong? Your dad has 2.
Yeah.
I got your mum's right though. Well, to be fair, like, our whole relationship has been at uni, so we don't actually know each other that well.
Our relationship's been a lot. 3 actually.
4.
Is it 4? Yeah, 4 years. 4 years at uni.
Well, I'm remembering. So what is my all-time, not recently, like my all-time favourite restaurant?
You can't say that. You can't say recently. Like.
No, it's not recently though, it's my all-time. But I can just imagine you getting swayed by something recently, and that's giving a bigger hint, so.
I am going to say TGI Friday.
Ah, you're the worst! The Avenue, obviously!
Goodness sake! You have never told me that Avenue is your favourite restaurant
That is
ever.
literally the biggest lie of my life. And let me call my mum.
Anyone who has heard
now.
her say TGI's is her favourite restaurant.
I can call Georgia, I can call anyone, and they'll say,
Hello.
Hi mum, just a quick question. If you had to say, what do you think my favourite restaurant of all time is? Local.
Please? I don't know what you're saying.
The Avenue! The Avenue!
Oh, Avenue, yes, sorry, yeah.
Isn't that my favourite restaurant ever?
Well, that or TGI, whatever it's called, TFI.
TGI Friday!
Look,
there you have it.
Look. Yeah, she said that or TGI's though, so it's still
There you have it. Oh, you should be able to get this. What is my favourite coffee?
A cappuccino. Oh wait, or is it a latte? I'm gonna go with cappuccino.
Should have gone with the other one.
Oh, well I half knew. Another half. That's your 2 favourite anyway.
Huh?
That's your 2 favourite.
Didn't
So I get half.
Didn't ask for my 2 favourite.
If I had to move anywhere, like for not my whole life, but like for say a year or so, where would it be? Not forever, just for short term.
Oh, it's got to be LA, innit?
It is!
Yeah.
Yay! We did it!
No, Frankie, you didn't.
Getting glassy.
3.5 each scores are, by the way. Name the one thing I wish I was better at.
Imagine if I say something and you're like, wait, I thought I was good at that.
No.
Is it going to be something gay, like spelling? No, it's not going to be that. Okay. I don't know, like playing a musical instrument?
Yes, it's kind of.
Is it guitar?
It's music production.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say that, but I was going to say you're good.
Oh, you don't have to be nice. Oh, you get a point for being nice. Which is something that doesn't happen often.
Whoa! What is the one thing you do that pisses me off?
Just come up with this.
No,
because
no,
I
I've got it written down.
No, I don't drive.
No, he pretends that he's listening to me and he isn't. He never listens. I'm always talking to him and I'm just talking at him.
I wouldn't say I pretend to listen.
You sit there and you're like... and then like 5 minutes later I'll bring something about that conversation back up and you'll be like, what? See, you don't even know you do it because you don't listen when I have a go at you about it.
Oh, I can tell you were angry. If I had one superpower, what would it be?
To fly. Who would you like to be? Oh, okay, I think it's super strength.
Which is actually to teleport.
Oh, fun.
Like free
That's a good
holidays and stuff.
That is. But then if you can fly, you can just fly.
Yeah, but if you want to like rob a bank as well, then you can just teleport in and steal money.
I mean, okay, if I could meet one person, dead or alive, real or fake person, like a character, who would it be?
Kim Kardashian.
No, I didn't think about it a bit. I'll give
No,
you that.
that is Kim Kardashian.
The Queen.
Oh, for God's sake.
They don't even say that that's a fake one, because that is, everyone knows that.
Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, obviously I would love to meet her, but like, the Queen is the Queen. And the Queen's like, obviously, God forbid, has like not got that long left. Whereas Kim Kardashian has. Kim Kardashian, I'm gonna meet at some point. You know? Got ages to meet her.
Oh, obviously.
And, well, Kim is one, yeah, that's a good one.
Obviously, Frankie's one now.
Playing to see if I know you.
If I could have one actor play me in a film, who would it be?
You know exactly who I was about to say.
Yeah, I know.
Does he look like you?
Not really.
Oh. Is he fit?
You don't think so.
Oh.
I don't think you do.
Oh, I know who exactly you are thinking about. Oh, what's his name? Fucking Jake Gyllenhaal.
Yeah.
So at the end of this game, the point is 5.5 to me and 3.5 to Luke. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing Luke on here. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.
Sweet peach. This one's my favourite. My favourite.
Cute.